Shout out to Spider Pig coming through. Team Deepwater Cultivating. Y'all know that's the company. That's the company. Uh, let's go back to the beginning and play that.
Hope you don't mind. We made some tea.
What up, Triple B? I know you go check out Big Brother Bear, especially on his Rumble, preferably.
Allow me to introduce myself. I'm the bloke you're stealing from. The name's Alistair Rigby, but as far as you're concerned, I'm Willy fucking Wonka, and you're taking a shit in my fucking chocolate factory. Easy, boss. Don't get upset. When I have to go to the dentist, I'm upset. When Liverpool beats Arsenal, I'm upset.
Cooking with love and more. Y'all to go check bro out daily. He getting his grind on right now, so y'all know we appreciate that.
Upset. I'm very fucking upset. So, from now on, you're under new management. You will work for me, and in return, you'll receive an allowance.
Allowance?
Yes, allowance. As in, I'm allowing you to keep 10%, and I'm allowing you to keep drawing breath on this earth. Now, you either get down, or you lay down. What's it gonna be, sunshine?
This wasn't no movie. The smart thing was to say yes, get up, and leave the room.
But
then I thought to myself, what if this was a movie? Look, fuck you, fuck the plane you flew in on, fuck them shoes, fuck those socks with the bell on it, fuck your gay-ass fairy faggot
he said he
accent.
subscribed. Well, go check out some other videos and you let me know what type of channel it is, sir. It's 2025, the year of homework. You gotta put in your homework.
This is America.
I'll subscribe back to you though, BVR. Appreciate you coming through, Chad.
And if I steal in the street, I'm slapping the shit out of you.
It ain't about grown. We network 24/7 regardless.
This one spent so much time in the cinema. Teach this cheeky bastard a little. Nobody fucking move!
Oh man, this is bad.
What is this? A castle for the Sopranos reunion? Do me a favour. Tell room service nobody here ordered the extra large whop with a side order up.
So the weed channel, it's a channel. Hell, entertainment and informational reviews. Infotainment. That's what type of channel we got going on. I have mostly weed information though. I'm biased on what I like to review on this one. I got other review channels. Shouts out to the Spider Pig and Team Deepwater Cultivating. Shouts out to the big homie DJ Is. Y'all know to go check out his Buy Me a Coffee. Here, I'll make it easy. Links in there for you on replay gang. You know links don't work in verticals during the live. Unless they fixed it. But you never know how that goes. Shout out to the replay gang. Appreciate the 6 thumbs up. Make sure y'all double tap that screen. He said it makes sense now. Shout out to my boy Sensei. I know he back on this grind. This is an older video, but this is a funny story, so I decided to get into that today, right?
I know I asked this question.
I ain't working too hard on my homework.
I've ever been in a fight that you already know Timmy in the background with the fucking monster stains. Don't stop eating all them, bro. But you know my man Timmy done been in a couple fights. That's a big boy. The whole time, bro. How many of y'all have lost fights? I should see all the same
names,
names, bro.
I do gotta
Nobody is
get into the
undefeated.
green room at some point in this video, so
Floyd Mayweather, bro. I'm not trying to
we will be going into the green room and looking into the flower tent.